Hi ladies, it's Sarah. So I told you guys if I got to try out the Doppler today that I would let you guys know how it went, and I must say that I am very, very glad that I was able to use this thing because this is awesome. I know a lot of people have reservations just because of anxieties and stuff, and even when I told Kenny about it, he was kind of like, I don't want to know, I don't want to know, it's just going to freak me out. So I think I just had to hear the baby's heartbeat. It's just something that I think I needed. I'm gonna cry. I'm retarded. But it was just something that I needed for me, and I'm really glad I did because I found the heartbeat and I'm so happy, and it just sounded so strong and great. Whew! But this is what it looks like, and this is the Sonaline B, and it comes with a little jelly thing too as well to put on your tummy. But that's what it looks like, and I'm going to include a video at the end showing you baby's heartbeat because it's very exciting. But I just wanted you guys to see sort of what it looked like and everything. So that's that. I did want to talk to you guys about a couple purchases that I made. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is a couple books that I purchased. The first one, of course, What to Expect When You're Expecting. My nails are still really gross, and my beauty girls are going to call me out on this, but the smell of the nail polish and the remover, I can't handle it right now. So I've kind of just been chipping them off, which is ridiculous. I know I'm supposed to set a better example than that for myself and for everyone, but I can't handle the smell quite yet. When I do, my nails will be pretty and adorable again, but until then, I'm just, ooh. So anyway, the books, What to Expect When You're Expecting. This is a definite go-to book. It retails pretty expensive, but I bought it at Once Upon a Baby. I think that's what it's called. The, like, used baby store. I don't even want to say it like that because that sounds really like used cars or something. But I got it there. I purchased it there, and it was only, I think, like $4.50 or something like that. So, What to Expect When You're Expecting, and it's just set up perfectly. Already a lot of my questions have been answered. Thank you to What to Expect When You're Expecting. I also have the app on my phone, too. I have like 50 pregnancy apps on my iPhone as well, which maybe I'll do a video on that, all the apps that I use and what I use from each one, because I use like a piece from this one, and I use like the information from this one. I go through each one and pick different little features that I like about them. But this one is for, I guess, all my pregnant in heels mommies, but I just thought this book was awesome, and it was also, I bought it at the same store, and it was only, this one was $4.50 too, but it's called Bump It Up, and it's basically, the way it's laid out is sort of like a fashion blog. Like each page is sort of like fashion bloggy, and it gives you great ideas for, you know, things that are like, what's the word that I'm looking for? Things that make you look pretty or make you feel pretty when you're going through different stages in pregnancy. You know, different outfits, different body types, what kind of suits your body type, and, you know, just like staples, things that just make you feel pretty while you're pregnant. Because I'm only, you know, 9-10 weeks along, and I feel the bloating, and it just feels so, I feel huge. My boyfriend says he doesn't even see a difference, but I just feel like everywhere. Oh, I just spit everywhere. Oh, that's part of pregnancy too. I have a lot more saliva, but I just feel so huge, and he's like, you're fine, you haven't even gained a pound, but the bloating and the everything just makes you feel horrible. So I've really been taking to this book to try to find just statement pieces that can get me through my pregnancy and get me through like the beginnings and the ends of it, but to still feel kind of fabulous, I guess. I still want to feel like me, and me likes to feel pretty no matter what the situation is. I'm a pretty feeling kind of girl. I just like to feel put together and happy like that. So this is a really good book. I have been loving it so far, and it's given me ideas for great little like staple outfits, and maybe I'll do a video on that, on just some of the things that I'm planning on getting just to get me through my pregnancy and to still feel like me, but pregnant. And not just like, you know, pregnant lady who, you know, wears leggings and big sweatshirts all day or something. I don't know. I don't know what pregnant people wear. So yeah, maybe I'll do a video on that once I get more stuff and once I have some, you know, more things put together. And someone asked me what kind of prenatals I've been taking, and I was taking the 1-a-day prenatals. Excuse me, I'll probably do that a lot in my videos. But I had those from a previous pregnancy that obviously didn't work out, but I ran out of those, and so now I bought the Target brand, and I have the multivitamin, and then I have the like DHA EPA soft gels, which is like, I guess, the folic acid and stuff. Basically, these ones, when I burp, it tastes like raw fish. It's really disgusting. And I've been taking these at night because if I take them in the morning, my stomach just can't quite handle all of it quite yet. So I take them at night before I go to bed, and I try to take it at a time when I'm not really thinking about it, because then I'm just like, oh, are they going to make me sick today? Are they going to make me sick today? And I start freaking out, and we don't need freakouts. So those are basically the things. Oh, duh! I was going to show you something else. The last thing I wanted to show you was I went to Target, and I saw the cutest little baby onesie, and it's San Francisco Giants, and I think this is how we're going to do our announcement. But how cute these are. Don't change me till the game is over. And then there's another one that's just Giants. And then this is the one that I think we're going to take the picture in, and it's just all Giantsed out. And it's very us. We are huge San Francisco Giants fans, so yep. How cute is that? I can't believe that there would be a little person in there. Okay, calm down, Sarah. I just need to stop. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday, and I will attach the Doppler video to this video, so it'll be at the end. And I just hope you guys enjoy it. It just melted my heart, and I just want to listen to it all day. I keep playing it over and over because it's just the greatest feeling, and it feels surreal to hear something like that. It's just the best. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys want me to let you know how I was able to find the baby, I can do a video on that, and I can do like a little Doppler tutorial or something, but just let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, love you.